In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent DDoS attacks with Cloudflare. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to secure your website from unwanted traffic and attacks. Let's get started. First, head over to the Cloudflare website. If you're not familiar with Cloudflare, it's a service that provides a range of functionalities from performance enhancements to security features like DDoS protection. It acts as a middleman between your website and the visitors, filtering out malicious traffic. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, look for the Login button and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up and set up your domain on Cloudflare first. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Cloudflare account homepage. Next, you'll need to select the domain you'd like to protect from DDoS attacks. This is crucial because Cloudflare allows you to configure settings for each specific domain. So, from your dashboard, locate your domain and give it a click. You should now be within your domain's management settings. Now, let's enhance the security of your domain. Click on the security option available there. This section groups all the options you need to bolster the safety of your site against various types of attacks. It's important to regularly check and update these settings to ensure maximum protection. From there, head over to the Settings tab. This is where you can modify your DDoS protection settings along with other security configurations. Here, you should see an option labeled Security Level. Clicking on this allows you to adjust how aggressively Cloudflare should handle potentially harmful traffic. Depending on your website's traffic and risk, you can choose between essentially off to under attack levels. For most sites, an intermediate level provides a good balance, protecting against suspicious activities without hindering normal visitors. Finally, click on the Configurations button. This finalizes your settings and applies the changes to your domain. Remember that adjusting these configurations might temporarily affect how some users access your site, especially if they have dynamic IP addresses or are browsing from locations known to produce spam. Regularly reviewing these settings ensures that your protections remain up to date as threats evolve. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed walkthrough on how to prevent DDoS attacks with Cloudflare. By leveraging Cloudflare's powerful features, you can ensure a safe and seamless experience for your users while keeping malicious actors at bay. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and informative tech guides.